he too will be visiting the affected areas in Wayanad along with the Congress Party General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. The duo will be visiting the families of the victims in Wayanad. He being, when it comes to the parliamentarian who had previously represented the seat of Wayanad. Here it seems as far as Rahul Gandhi in this case where this tragedy has struck, he is expected along with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are expected to visit the tragedy site and also expected to meet with the families of the victims. Niyamika, what are we hearing?
Well, indeed, this is the latest update which we are getting from the Congress sources that it might be possible that tomorrow morning itself the Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, along with the Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, are going to visit Wayanad as for this landslide. We have also seen that how the Congress Party has been continuously raising this entire issue within the Parliament, and not just this, but in fact Rahul Gandhi has also spoken to the Kerala Chief Minister regarding the rescue operations which are going on, and he has also spoken to the DC of Wayanad, as he has also mentioned it clearly within his tweet that he has also urged the Congress members, the workers there within Wayanad to help and to help in the rescue operations which are currently going on within the Wayanad, as many of the people are still they are not being traceable, and that is the only reason why. In fact, Rahul Gandhi had also spoken to the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, in which he has mentioned that he has assured Rahul Gandhi that proper assistance has been given for all the rescue operations and the search operations which are currently going on within Wayanad. So tomorrow it might be possible that tomorrow morning itself Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Rahul Gandhi are going to visit that particular site where this landslide has taken place. They are also expected to meet several of the families who have lost their loved ones.
As far as the affected people are concerned, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are expected to meet them as they will be leaving soon for Wayanad. In the meantime, let's get you a lowdown exactly when it comes to the people and the number of people who are said to be affected because of these two major landslides. Now, this is a popular resort area which has about 150 tourists are still who are believed to be trapped in the resort in Mebadi area of Wayanad, where some of these tourists and staff have also reportedly suffered injuries. We'll be going across to Deepak as well to help us understand as far as this terrain is concerned, because the landslide struck early in the morning or in the wee hours there, as far as people being unable to even find out time or to realize what had happened. How difficult or what is this terrain all about, which is popular to tourists there, as far as there are multiple resorts, Deepak, who are said to be situated in that area?
This is quite a hilly region. There are a lot of tea plantations and more importantly, of course, houses a lot of resorts. A lot of tourists as well come in during the monsoon season to enjoy the nature. But of course, during this time and whenever there is heavy rainfall, there is an issue with landslides. And this major landslide that has occurred just a couple of years ago, we saw a huge one killing at least about 20 people. And that was just about 2 to 3 kilometers from this area. Now we are picking up that a resort named Tree Valley Resort. This is in the Mepadi area. There as well, they've got stuck. All the connecting roads at this point in time filled with debris because of the landslide. About 3 different landslides, I'm told, have hit them, but fortunately, no major injuries to the people who are inside. About 150 people. This includes, of course, tourists and staff at that resort itself right now trapped. They're waiting for assistance to come in. As of now, the Army, the NDRF have also been informed, who along with the local teams there will try to, of course, use JCBs, cut through, roads that are, accessible at this point in time, clean up the debris and try to rescue them as soon as possible. Because while, of course, they were in the comfort of a resort, but, staying there would only mean that the difficulty and the challenges would increase, considering the fact that...
Absolutely, because the first priority is the rescue operations, as multiple teams from different disaster relief forces that have been deployed. Indian Army too will be also sending their teams, as far as when it comes to this area. Around 150 tourists are said to be trapped in that place. Thank you very much for the moment, Deepak, for joining in. We'll keep updating our viewers on this extent of tragedy and, of course, the rescue operations that have been taking place.